Dear student, good morning. I am Rupesh Kumar Kute, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Sri Rawatpura Sarkar University, Raipur. Today I am going to introduce the numerical problem related to the thermodynamics. So let's start. Our first problem is a stationary system consists of 2 kg of fluid is expanded in adiabatic process according to the PV ka power 1.2 is equal to constant. Okay, there is n, there is PV ka power n, that means uh, PV ka power n is equal to constant, that means there is n is equal to 1.2. Okay, n is equal to 1.2. And the next one is the initial condition are 0.1 megapascal and then 200 centigrade. That means that P1 is equal to P1 is equal to 1 megapascal and T1 is equal to 200 centigrade. We always use in Kelvin unit for temperature, and the final condition is 0.1 megapascal. That is the P2. This is the P2. And find the work done and the internal energy. Also, so we have to show the work transfer is not equal to the PdV. So let's start. We know the condition is given. PV का power 1.2 is equal to constant. That means we can write the P1 P1 का power 1.2 is equal to P2 P2 का power 1.2, and we know the relation. What will be the T2 by T1 equal to P2 by P1 का power gamma n minus 1 by gamma. Then the gamma is given, gamma or n is a given 1.2, and the P2 is the given 0.1 megapascal, and the P1 is the 1 megapascal. Then we'll get the answer 0. If you solve the problem, then we'll get the 322.21 Kelvin. There is the Kelvin, but we will change to the centigrade bill, that is minus 273. Then we'll get the answer of 49.25 centigrade. The next one, we have to find the internal energy and the work done. And according to the first law of thermodynamics, del Q is equal to del E plus del W. And in question is given the process is the adiabatic process. Adiabatic process, that means del Q, the change in the heat will be the constant. That means Q2 by Q1 equal to 0. That is the del Q is equal to 0. And the Cv is del P del T plus dW. And we can find the work done. dW is equal to minus Cv del T. Cv, we know the specific heat at constant volume. Cv is equal to 0.187 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. The unit is a kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and integrate 1 to 2, what will T2 minus T1. Integration of del T limit 1 to 2, that means T2 minus T1. T2 is equal to 200 centigrade, and T1 is equal to T2 is equal to 200 and T1 equal to 49.25 centigrade. And then we will follow this numerical domain. Then we'll get the answer. W is equal to minus 108.23 kilojoule. This is the kilojoule. Okay, Z should be the capital letter, and del is equal to 100. And then we will put the value this W to again this first law of thermodynamics. Then we will get that del E is equal to 108.23 kilojoule per kg. Okay, then in previous section the question is asked why PVW is equal to why we can't write the integration of PdV. That is the consider if the work done problem W and the PdV will be the same, then we can write the only del W is equal to PdV. Okay, then we will solve the work done for P1 P2 minus V1 V2 upon n minus 1. Then we will solve the, we can also find the V2 and the V1 from the relation P1 V1 equal to MRT1, and we can also there is a P1 V1 is equal to MRT1, and then already T1 value is given, that's why we are writing P1 V1 equal to MRT2. Then we will get the answer 432 kilojoule. Then dW and PdV is the difference. This is only condition if the process is the quasi-static process, then we can write the PdV is equal to W. Okay, so thank you.